In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record fixed asset sales in QuickBooks Online. This step-by-step walkthrough will make the entire process easy, even if you're completely new to QuickBooks. To begin, open your browser and go to the QuickBooks website. Click the Sign In button and select QuickBooks Online from the options. Enter your login credentials and continue. Make sure you choose your QuickBooks accountant profile so everything stays consistent across your records. Once you're logged in, the Advanced Accounting section from the left-hand menu. This is where QuickBooks stores all your detailed financial tools. Inside Advanced Accounting, click on the Fixed Assets tab. This is the section where all asset-related information is stored and managed. Now, look at the top right corner for the Add an Asset button. Click it to start recording the asset you're planning to sell. Begin by entering the asset name, something clear and specific so you can identify it easily later. After that, type in the purchase price of the asset. Make sure the amount reflects what it originally cost your business at the time of purchase. Then enter the purchase date, which will also help QuickBooks calculate depreciation correctly. Next, you'll see a field for the depreciation start date. In many cases, this is the same as the purchase date, but it can vary depending on your company policies. You'll also need to choose a depreciation method. For example, straight line or declining balance, whichever method your business follows. Right after that, add the useful life of the asset in years. This tells QuickBooks how long this asset is expected to provide value to your business. Then enter the salvage value, which is an estimated amount the asset will be worth at the end of its useful life. Below these fields, you'll find the section for accounting details. Select the correct asset account, then choose the accumulated depreciation account, which keeps track of how much depreciation has been recorded so far. Finally, choose the depreciation expense account, which affects your profit and loss statement each year. Once all the information is entered and you've double-checked everything, click Save. QuickBooks will update your records immediately, and your fixed asset sale will now be properly documented. Recording fixed asset sales in QuickBooks Online becomes much easier once you understand each of these fields. I hope this tutorial helps you keep your financial records accurate and organized. And stay tuned for more clear and simple QuickBooks tutorials. Happy bookkeeping!